As we grow older, our legs, the same legs that carried us through life, begin to slow down. Sometimes they ache, sometimes they cramp at night, and sometimes they just don't feel as strong as they used to. You try walking a little longer, but the muscles feel heavy. You stretch, yet the pain keeps coming back. Why does this happen? Because aging silently steals away the nutrients that keep our legs strong, flexible, and full of life. In this video, we'll discover the 7 most powerful vitamins that rebuild your strength, improve circulation, and stop painful leg cramps that disturb your sleep. If your legs often feel tired, numb, or weak, this might be exactly what you need. Let's begin your journey towards stronger, healthier, and pain-free legs. Vitamin D, the sunshine strength vitamin. Vitamin D is the foundation of strong muscles and balance. When its levels drop, your legs lose strength. You feel weak, your reflexes slow down, and even a short walk feels heavy. Vitamin D helps your muscles absorb calcium, the key mineral for muscle power. It also reduces inflammation in your joints and keeps your bones strong. If you often feel thigh pain, stiffness, or weakness when standing up, your body might be asking for more sunshine. You can get vitamin D from early morning sunlight, eggs, fish, and fortified milk. And remember, it works best when taken with healthy fats like olive oil or nuts. With enough vitamin D, your legs regain strength, stability, and confidence in every step. Vitamin B12, the nerve protector. If you've ever felt a burning, tingling, or numb sensation in your feet, that's your body whispering for vitamin B12. This vitamin protects your nerves and supports the red blood cells that carry oxygen to every part of your legs. When B12 is low, your nerves weaken, and your legs begin to feel heavy, tired, or off balance. You can find B12 in eggs, fish, chicken, milk, and fortified foods. For vegetarians, fortified cereals and nutritional yeast are great options. And because our body absorbs B12 less efficiently with age, using a dissolvable tablet or doctor-prescribed injection works even better. Vitamin B12 keeps your nerves alive and brings back that light, steady feeling in your legs. Vitamin E, the circulation booster. Do your legs go numb after sitting too long? Do they feel cold or tingly at night? That's poor circulation, and vitamin E helps fix it. It improves blood flow, prevents clots, and keeps arteries flexible. It also protects your muscles from stress and damage. If your calves cramp or wounds heal slowly, your body might be low on vitamin E. You can find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, olive oil, and avocados. When your blood flows freely, your legs stay warm, active, and full of life. Vitamin C, the tissue builder. Vitamin C doesn't just boost immunity, it rebuilds the very fabric of your legs. It helps form collagen, the protein that keeps muscles, veins, and joints strong. It also strengthens blood vessels and reduces swelling. If you bruise easily, heal slowly, or feel swelling in your legs after standing, you may need more. Vitamin C. Eat citrus fruits, kiwi, guava, strawberries, or bell peppers daily. Vitamin C keeps your legs firm, flexible, and ready for every step. A vitamin B6, the muscle function vitamin. This vitamin converts the food you eat into real energy for your muscles. It also helps nerves communicate smoothly with your brain. Without enough B6, you may feel cramps, twitching, or muscle stiffness, especially at night. You can find it in chicken, fish, bananas, potatoes, and chickpeas. And when combined with magnesium, it helps relax tight muscles and prevents those painful night cramps. Vitamin B6 keeps your muscles calm, strong, and well coordinated. Vitamin B1, the energy spark. If your legs feel heavy even after a short walk, you might be low on vitamin B1, also called thiamine. It's the vitamin that turns your food into energy. Without it, muscles feel weak, unsteady, and drained. Good sources include whole grains, oats, nuts, beans, and lean meats. When your cells get enough vitamin B1, your legs feel light, energetic, and full of movement again. Vitamin K2, the bone and circulation guardian. Most people forget about this one, but it's crucial. Vitamin K2 guides calcium to your bones and keeps it out of your arteries. That means stronger bones and smoother circulation in your legs. When K2 is missing, calcium can build up in blood vessels, making them stiff and reducing blood flow. You can find it in cheese, butter, eggs, chicken, and fermented foods like sauerkraut. Together with vitamin D, K2 ensures your bones grow stronger and your arteries stay clean. It keeps your legs powerful from the inside out. So there you have it, the 7 essential vitamins that can change how your legs feel every single day. With the right nutrients, you'll notice stronger muscles, fewer cramps, better balance, and a confident, steady walk once again. Because strength isn't just about muscle, it's about independence. It's about freedom. It's about living life on your own 2 feet, without pain. Start today and let your legs carry you proudly through every new chapter of life. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because everyone deserves to walk pain-free.